Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Lightning Strike. Today me and Mom are doing a yoga challenge.
What's the first challenge?
I'll show you. Do it.
Okay. Did I do it?
Let me see. Mom, that's the wrong leg to be out.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Better?
Better. That challenge is done.
Okay.
What's
did
the
it!
next challenge?
I have a challenge.
What's the challenge?
Okay, so you have to do your tree pose. Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then put your leg back and count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, that's easy.
Let's see if you can do it, Lightning Strike.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, you did it.
Mom, can we just do 2 more challenge?
Okay. What's the next challenge? Your turn, Lightning Strike.
Okay. Lie down like this.
Whoa.
Hold your foot
No way I can get my feet like that.
and then hold the other foot.
I'm
Just
too
try.
old to do this. Okay, I'll try, but I'm definitely too old. Oh, my hip! My back!
You didn't do it? I win 1 point.
Okay, last challenge.
No, 2 more challenge. I said 2 more challenge. Black and blue man.
Okay. I have a challenge called the 2-mat challenge.
Mom, can we just do a standing up one?
Okay, you do the challenge. You show me the challenge.
Okay. It's your turn, then my turn for the last one.
Okay. Here's... Ah! That didn't look safe. Okay. My challenge is called the Balancy Balancer. So here's what you need to do. I'm going to take these 3 tiny toys. 1 in front.
Hey, that was supposed to be from our cleaning.
Yeah, but here, this is part of the challenge. You have to stand on 1 foot. You have to try to pick up on 1 foot. All of the toys! Oh no, I couldn't even do it. But now you try.
Easy.
Now you gotta stand on 1 foot. Oh, Lightning Strike! You're always winning. Okay, last challenge.
Just a minute, I need to put these. I got one.
This is the grand finale.
It's standing up very fast.
I don't think I can do that. Okay, last time.
No, on your mat.
Oh, well.
Do it, Vic.
What? Am I doing it? Am I doing it?
No.
Oh, man.
I'll actually show you.
Okay. Oh, I definitely can't do that. I don't have that kind of coordination. Good job, Lightning Strike.
Now, I'll do one with
That's
a
enough.
stuffy.
That's enough. Okay. Good job. Say goodbye.
I'll just do my thing to you, viewers. That was the video for today. So, bye, viewers. Hit the like, notification, and subscribe. Bye.